No, they can't actually. They have to go through a state licensing program if you're going to start up a security company. It involves an extensive background check with Metro. And then, of course, all of the people that they hire need to get a sheriff's card from Metro before they're allowed to become security guards. So there is a lot of training involved.
All right, Kate Turner, thanks so much.
Well, since we're talking about crime, solving crime sometimes is easy, sometimes it's not. And sometimes it requires some specially trained eyes, the eye of a crime scene investigator.
That's right. And around the world, Las Vegas's Metro Police Department is known to have one of the best crime labs. Well, tonight, Las Vegas is hosting an event to train over 1,000 criminal investigators all over the U.S. and around the world. News 13's Dave Malkoff takes us there.
When a murder is committed, the dead speak only in a language of blood, gunpowder, and fingerprints. Tonight, crime scene investigators from all over the world are here to learn how to decipher that language.
A lonely hallway somewhere in the hotel. This is real-world training in the science of a crime.
They have things such as ear print identification, latent print identification. We have crime scenes set up.
It reads "Do not disturb," but there's already been a disturbance in here.
There's obvious blood on the pillow here, bloody handprint. There's the butt of a gun sticking out of between the mattress.
The remains of a coke party that ended in gunfire and torture.
There's duct tape and bindings over on the chair there. A bloody fingerprint on the telephone. We got here, part of the scenario was that the victim was actually found bound to the chair, bleeding. EMS came in, took her to the hospital. We're probably going to have about 100 through this scene.
100 investigators get 10 minutes each to uncover clues.
Clues as to where they might find the identity of the person. There's a shirt down there with a very specific logo on it.
Some clues are pretty obvious. Not all clues.
Everybody knows about bullets and blood and fingerprints and guns and all that stuff, but there's a lot of other evidence that's not normally associated with a crime scene.
Even the deodorant has a product code. It tells you where it was made and where it was sold. Receipts could lead to a store with security cameras. Sometimes that is the best evidence of all.
If they can go get a videotape of the suspect buying the item that was purchased on that receipt, helps them locate them. They may get wanted flyers out.
And it is our responsibility to the public to go through this training.
But this is one kind of to get them to think outside of the box.
The conference will continue right here at the hotel throughout the week with conferences on everything from blood spatter analysis to the forensic use of super glue. At the Riviera, Dave Malkoff, News 13, inside Las Vegas.
And the convention is hosted by the International Association for Identification. The IAI certifies law enforcement around the world in the various sciences that solve crimes every day.